basic everyday makeup look. Lip balm. I really like soft lips for during the day because it has some SPF. I've already done the rest of my skincare. Rimmel Fix and Protect Primer. This also has SPF 25. Just pressing it into my pores, mainly around my cheek area and around my T-zone. Essence Highlight and Contouring Stick. I'm trying something else today. I see a lot of people doing that. A little bit. Immediately adding my Foschini cheek and lip tint, just one drop. I'll just add a little bit of the excess on my lips. I'm taking my Wet n Wild sponge and I'll just be blending this out. And I'm basically just taking the flat part now to blend out the blush because this is the clean side. Now that that's blended out, I'm going in with my Essence Color Correcting Liquid Concealer under my eyes. Wet n Wild Dewy Photo Focus Foundation. The rest of my face. Spread everything with my finger. Essence Highlight and Contouring Stick with the highlight while my foundation is busy building some coverage. But this stuff is so nice. Like, I'm going in with this Pink Cosmetics Beauty Sponge. First start out with my highlighter. Start blending my face, starting in the inner parts of my face, moving outwards. And what I love about this highlight, it's not like glitter in your face. It's so natural. I love it. Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer under my eyes and on my T-zone. Blend starting at my T-zone. I've been absolutely loving the natural look this Essence Brow Fixing Gel has been giving my brows. Literally nothing else, you just need this. Like, I honestly love this. I think as soon as the person has tinted your brows, this will be like amazing. Essence Color Correcting Liquid Concealer. Catrice Art Coleurs to set my eyelids. The Nubian palette by Juvia's Place. This palette has been through a lot. It's my go-to one. Just be going into this shade at the top here. I'll be adding a tiny amount of this brown shade over here. Just want to just look something like that. Not too hectic. I'm not taking it very high. So I'm looking for a really nice light color. I wasn't really opting for a shimmer, but I don't have all of my makeup with me. This is the shade Osun, O-S-U-N, Magic Palette by Juvia's. Repeating those exact same steps on my lower lash line, except for the glitter. I'm not going in with the shimmer. Adding a little bit of that shimmer to my inner corner. Yes, I am still using this as mascara, touch-up concealer. Then I'll just set that in place. I'll see if I can sort this hair out in another video, but for now, that's the look. Don't mind my hair, please.